What's going on YouTube today? We got another unboxing video. Starting to feel like Christmas, doing 2 unboxing videos in a row. But we got the Gen 8 Scout 2 from Red Cat. This is my first Red Cat, so we're gonna see how it does. We're gonna take up the box. Take a look at the box real quick before we take the rig out. So it has a 550 size motor, 17 turn torque. Yes, 17 turn, 50, 40 amp, 3 selectable drag brake modes, all weather, waterproof, dust proof. Select between nickel metal hard drive and LiPo, all that fun stuff. And a cordless digital servo, high torque, waterproof, internal steel gears, all that fun stuff. I need my rigs to be waterproof because I like the water. Now this, how am I gonna do this one-handed? Alrighty. It does come in 2 colors. It comes in green and purple, which purple is the one I got. Alright, is there anything else we're gonna go over before I this thing out? And it does have portal axles, and I believe it's a 2-2 rig. Oh yeah, full detail, bumpers, lights. They look like you can throw some lighting in there if you wanted, or if it already comes with lights. Licensed Super Swampers, not a bad tire. Metal links, so you don't have to go and upgrade to that. It already comes with it. And here is the Porter gears I was talking about. If I could speak English. And there's a better picture of the inside of the portal there. On the end bit, giving us more torque. And there is the motor. Alright, enough chit chat. We're gonna get this thing out of the box, which I'm doing everything one-handed today, so don't know how that's gonna go. Alright. No tripod today. Didn't really work out last time, and I hope this goes better than the drift car. Actually, no, it was upside right. I don't know what I'm doing. Unprofessional. No one ever said I was. Alright, I can do this one-handed maybe. I can use my side to help lift the box. I did clean up that pile of boxes. I wish the packaging was done better. Like, this was loose and it wasn't really taped. Like here, tape's not even sticky anymore. So I kind of wish they put a little bit more care into their packaging, which they probably do. It's just I end up getting the one the packaging isn't the greatest. Ooh, and here is all the protective stuff, so stuff that's thrown around. That protects it, and here is the rig. We're gonna get it out one-handed, which I might have to put you guys down. Yeah, that's what it's looking like. Okay, we got it out of the box. Here is your instruction manual. There's some parts in here as well. It looks like body posts, some hardware, another server horn, stuff like that. Put that down there, and we got a decal sheet if you wanted to spruce it up a little bit more. Boom, and here it is itself. I don't know, this is the most satisfying part, so we gotta do this shit nice and slow. I like how it's just like not even covering the entire truck. It's just kind of, that's good enough. I do apologize for the lighting. It's not the best, but I'm working with what I got here. Go, nice and shiny. Gonna get scratched up later. No, does it just lift out of the box? No, it does not. Okay. Christmas in October. Let me change my calendar. It's still set for September. Oh yeah. Professional me forgot to grab scissors or something, so I'm gonna have to go grab that. This will do. Try not to scratch the body. 1, 2. He's all the way back there. Wow, that's some strong. That one down. Last one back here. There it is. Should just. Oh, she's heavy. It is heavy. Here is the transmitter, which we need. Oh, the truck's rolling off my lap. Thank you. I have a mess to clean up later. No tripod. More crap. That's gonna be fun to cut up. Get that zip tie out of there. Or not. So yeah, here is the transmitter from Redken. The first one, so kind of first impressions here. We got our transmitter. Feels relatively light, not big and clunky. Some and there we go. I was struggling to try to get this cap open one-handed. So here, your steering that you can reverse, your throttle on the other side, same thing, you can reverse that if it is going the wrong way from factory, and your steering trim, your throttle trim beside that, and then your steering rate, and then your on-off. Fairly simple stuff, 2.4 gigahertz. Set that aside. Oh, the rubber's coming off. Losing my rubber. Alrighty. Here is the truck. It's heavy. It is fairly heavy. Now, I have no experience with Redcat. Again, this is my first one. So I'm also going to have to stop this to figure out how to take the body off. But before we do that, we got some scale details. These mirrors here, these are molded plastic. The door handles are a sticker. Same with the fuel door. These outer fenders are molded plastic. Ugh. This is a big guy. You have to grab my SCX-101 to show you guys for comparison. Here's the grill, molded plastic, and then it has the Lexan behind there. Metal bumper. That's good to see. We got a metal bumper and holes. 2 on this side, 2 on this side, total of 4 for lights in the bumper, and you got the 2 lights in here that you can add as well. I don't think it comes with lights. The sliders are plastic, and the rear bumper is that metal as well. It's either metal or plastic. I think the rear is plastic, and the the tail lights are not a sticker. You can put lights in there if you choose. We got a nice cool license plate here. The trunk light is a sticker. And this farther one is also legit. I am going to figure out how to take the body off, and we'll take a look underneath. We got the body off, and all it is just 4 pieces of Velcro on the top side of the wheel wells and on the inside as well. Just 4. Nice and simple. This does not come with lights. You'll have to do that yourself, which I'm gonna have to order a light kit for this thing. I'm gonna set this beauty there. It's a nice purple too. I like that a lot. And here is the chassis. We got their 550 motor, 17 turn. Haven't had a 17 turn before. The Bomber has a 15 in it out of a short course truck, so that thing rips. I don't know how this is going to perform. We got aluminum shocks, nice and beefy. Don't think those will break anytime soon. And the steering links and panhard and other links are also, this thing is heavy, are metal. I do believe, yeah, the dry shafts are indeed plastic, which is no big deal. You can always upgrade those to aluminum if you so choose. The diff cover is also aluminum. Here you have a 25 kilogram servo. Not super torquey, but get the job done. It does have steel gears in here, so should be plenty. Their ESC, which you can choose between nickel, metal, or a lipo, depending on what you run, and it does come with a Deems, which is perfect because that's what I run. Let's get these zip ties out of here. And the battery tray is in the middle. We got Velcro straps to hold it in. The plastic sliders, which I don't know if they have metal ones. I didn't really look. I did look at some upgrade parts for this thing. Not too much. It doesn't have SCX10 amount, but I just looked off one site, so there's that too. Here is the receiver. It's nice and enclosed, so no water can get to it, hopefully, which is the goal. Which I run all my trucks in water, so that's kind of a must for me. And here's a look at the wheels. These are indeed just super swampers, yes, but I don't know if they don't have a size on them, which is weird. I'm thinking those are 2.2s. Here's my fist for comparison. Yeah, I'm thinking those are 2.2s, which is nice. And I'll grab the OG Dodge for a size comparison. Get that out of here. And Dodge, I know it's a mess, but this is also not light. These are Hobby Soul 1.9 Mudslingers, which are like a small 2.2. Well, they could be 1.9s. I'm not 100% sure. I don't know everything. I don't know, they don't say. But yeah, pretty much almost identical wheelbase. It's a little bit longer, just by a little bit. And also that bumper helps, which I'm not running on this. So yeah, there you guys have it. I do have some things coming for this, which I do have. I have a fix the bumper for this. I do have another axle that has the servo mount on the axle, because it's on the chassis right now and it's running RC 4-wheel drive RRD shocks, and they're 110 millimeters, so I get bump steer. But this has a panhard, which will prevent you from getting that, which is right there. So yeah, we're going to take out this on the trail later and see how it does. This thing doesn't have a crazy slow crawl, as we can kind of see here. It's not bad, but it's not like the Dodge. But the Dodge is also running a brushless system in it as well, which you can always switch out. The servo on this thing is pretty damn good. I'm amazed with the steering angle that it does have. I do think in the box it's at 30 degrees, so not bad at all. The portal is helping, giving us a little bit more belly clearance and lifting it up a little bit. I do believe those are 100 millimeter shocks on there. And the Super Swamper tires are pretty good. It made it, well, in this spot I made it through majority of the stuff I put it through. I think I might throw the rock bit that I recorded as bonus footage at the end, or I'll just upload it to my Instagram, which if you're not following me on Instagram is that_guys_RC, making it exclusive content and sneak peeks of unboxing and projects like that. Yeah, it's overall a pretty solid rig, and this wasn't the first time I took this out. This is actually the second day of me making this video. Yesterday I went out after supper with a buddy and it turned into trail run, which now I have another video all ready to go, so I don't have to go and record one. But I'm gonna leave you guys there, let you enjoy the rest of this video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.